Hi children, good morning. This is science class, unit 3, lesson name air. Okay, today we are going to learn about properties of air. Let us see some important words from this topic. Shape, color, weight, space, feel. These are important words from this topic. Children, just you observe the pictures. First one is blowing balloon. Second one is making bubbles. Third one is flying kite. Fourth one is filling the ball or filling the ball. Okay. Now, what is necessary for these activities? Yeah, air is necessary for these activities. Okay, so the girl had blowing the balloon after she is flying the kite. After the boy also making bubbles. After here filling the ball. So air is necessary for these activities. So today we are going to learn about properties of air. Children, air is natural resource and we can live without air. No, we cannot live without air. And air present around us. Okay, we can see? No, we cannot see. Just we can feel only. Okay, listen here children. Properties of air. Air has no definite shape. Okay. Air has shape children? No. So, air has no definite shape. And color also. So, air has no definite shape and color. So, air colorless. Okay, it has any color. Red color, blue color, green color, any color. No. So, air no color, colorless. Okay, next, air has weight. After I will do an experiment. See there. Air has weight and it occupies space. Okay, this is the properties of air. Okay, children. Now I do one experiment. Listen here. Children, first one experiment. Air occupies space. I take one bowl of water and a tumbler. Okay, now I place a tumbler on the surface of the water and kept in a bowl. You see here, now I push the tumbler straight into the water. Now water fill in the tumbler? No. Okay, listen here children, you observe here. Now I tilt it slightly. Okay, you observe here. Now I push it into the water. Children, do you observe any difference? Yes. Air bubbles. Air bubbles come out or not? See, again I will do that. Okay, children, now what did you observe from this activity? Yeah, air occupies space. Okay, now we will do next experiment. Listen here. Now second experiment. Hot air rises up. I take one bowl of hot water. Okay, this is not a normal water, hot water. Okay, now I take one water bottle and tie a balloon. Okay, I tie a balloon to the mouth of the bottle. Listen here, children. Now, I kept the bottle in a bowl. Listen here. What will happen? Okay. You observe the picture, children. What will happen here? The balloon expands or not? Yeah. Okay. Why like this happen? Because of hot air rises up. Okay, children. Listen here, children. Third experiment. Air as weight. Okay. Now, I take two balloons. One balloon filled air. Another one balloon is empty. Okay. Now, I make a measuring stool line. Now, I will show here. Listen. What will happen here? Listen here, children. Air filled balloon goes down, but empty balloon goes up because air has weight. Now you can understood this. Okay. Now you can understood, children. What are the experiment? First one experiment is air occupies space. Second one is hot air rises up. And third one experiment, air as weight. Okay. Now we give the book reading. Listen here. Properties of air. Air is a natural resource. We cannot live without it. It is present around us. It has no definite shape and color. Air has weight and it occupies space. We cannot see air, but it can be felt. Air can flow everywhere. Air occupies space. Materials required: a tumbler, a bowl, and water. Procedure: place a tumbler on the surface of the water kept in a bowl. See picture. Push the tumbler straight into the water. Now tilt it slightly and push it into the water. Do you observe any difference? Yes. Air bubbles come out of water. Through this experiment, we can understand that air occupies space. So air occupies space. Second one. Hot air rises up. Tie a balloon to the mouth of a bottle as shown in the picture. Let the mouth of the bottle be narrow. Keep the bottle in a vessel containing hot water. Observe it for some time. The balloon expands. Why? Due to the heat of the water in the vessel, air inside the bottle becomes hot. Hot air fills the balloon. Therefore, the balloon expands. What do you understand from this experiment? Hot air rises up. Okay. Third one experiment. Air as weight. Procedure. Take two balloons. Fill air one balloon and keep the other balloon as it is. Make a measuring tool using a stick and tie the balloons on both the ends as shown in the pictures. Which balloon comes down and why? Do and find. This experiment proves that air has weight. Air has weight. Okay, children, you watch the video and complete the given worksheet. Thank you.